Cougars, this is Dr. Jim Brewer, District Administrator for the Clinton Community School District. And the shout out of the week this week goes to these three fabulous teachers, along with everybody else involved in the 4K Open House. And so with me today to talk about the 4K Open House is
Heather Henthorn.
Taryn Olszewski.
Katie Anastasi.
So we're having a 4K open house after spring break. Okay, so we're shooting this right prior to spring break, which we're all excited for. Okay, why should we be excited for a 4K open house?
Well, this is our 4th year running with 4K Open House. It's a great time to meet our incoming students and their parents. They get to come into the school and see what our building looks like and kind of get to meet some of the staff members.
Sure, sure. Is it open to anybody to come on in?
Yes, yes. Open enroll students, anybody in the community
Okay.
who would like to come in
Okay.
to see what we have, what we're doing.
And this year we're actually doing something different, so we're doing a community fair.
Oh.
So we're going to have programs like CAP, the Clinton Public Library, PTO, Brighter Smiles, just a bunch of different programs that families can go around and look at.
Oh, that's wonderful. So a smorgasbord of information that families can get when they come. What night are we doing the 4K open house?
April 2nd.
April 2nd. So again, right after we come back from spring break, okay, we're gonna show off, all that we have going on.
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to go out to the playground, we're going to tour a bus, we're going to make crafts, we're going to make new friends.
Mr. Simmons is going to give tours.
Nice. Nice. So if somebody wants to come and partake, what do they gotta do?
Show up.
Walk in
To
our
show
doors.
up.
Show up.
And what time are we starting?
4:30, and we're
Okay.
going to be using the cafeteria doors for
Okay.
entry. They'll be greeted by a teacher, and we'll set them up.
Well, this is fabulous, and what better way to get our kids started, okay, than to come in and get acclimated into this big school that they're going to be coming into.
Yeah, we've even got DECA coming in
Nice.
case they want to buy some Cougar gear and
Oh, perfect. Nice.
all set up.
Well, this is fabulous. I want to thank you all for the work that you're doing on this. It takes a team to put something like this together, and it really does. And I want to thank you three in particular. And for folks that are out there, please come and partake in the 4K open house. Again, it's more than just meeting our wonderful 4K teachers. It's a variety of different things that we're going to try this year to answer any questions that you may have. Again, April 2nd. 4:30, okay, right here at CES. Come in through the cafeteria doors, and we'll guide you along the way. So again, thank you three so much, and go Cougars.